Whoa! Every time.
Dude, I'll eat your ass. Oh, I'm really glad your camera's on.
You're gonna, wow, you're bold today. I thought you weren't gonna run. I thought your legs hurt or something.
Right here.
Oh, right there.
You got two straight ahead right here.
Whoa.
Like they're out.
One's down. Okay, well. Yeah, watch to your left.
Hey, in the grass! Watch your left!
There was movement over in the grass straight ahead of me.
Friendlies.
One straight down, black shirt.
Sorry, kid. Hey,
Speed softer's over there.
straight ahead, 12 o'clock. Aim, I'll point you. Left, 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 left. There. Back, right. There. I can't see.
They're all in black.
Oh.
They're just walking, so.
They're all moving left. Hey, on me. Left side.
Left side!
Oh, I'm about to get hit. Hey,
Yeah, back up, back up, back up.
go. Building. Go. Push, push, push. Hit.
Well, I'm moving back.
Ah, got me. Hit.
Did you see where that came from, Kale? It's from the grass. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I'm so clumsy. Oh. Oh, hit. Now I can hear you. See someone? Yeah. Where is it?
Loading.
Where is it?
Straight ahead. You're not gonna see him, he's on the other side of the tree you're looking at.
Gray shirt?
Yeah, or black. It looks like a person. Oh yeah, there's that person too.
Oh, I'm stupid. Oh, I hate my life. Hit. Yeah, they definitely know we're coming in here now. Watch the town. What just happened? I can't tell if they just saw me or not. Or maybe they don't know where it is, but they're just trying to search, you know? Do you see him? That's not on our team, is it?
Can I get him?
Yeah.
You dick.
I can't tell if my BB is going to go through once or not.
3 times.
I have no option. We have guys up on the hill. Our team. Our team is up on the hill.
Did you actually hear me?
Yeah.
There might have been that wasn't holding it down.
Speed softer's up at the plywood cover. Hey, they know where we are. Speed softer up in the middle building. What? I doubt all of those hit him.
Oh, they're coming right.
Yeah. Like I said, they know we're here now.
Let me get back in the tree line a little bit.
Yeah. Hey. Did you see somebody?
Nope.
Okay. I'm gonna move up this way.
Okay.
See if I can see anything in the town. You still watching the creek side? Our team's moving up. Scratch that, he just got shot.
Did they blow it?
Which side? Which side?
Did they find and blow it, or did we go to time?
Which side?